Good morning, beautiful people. I invite you to take this opportunity now as we move into a time of meditation, and then from that directly into our meditative flower cross annual ritual. I invite you to hold in your heart this notion that each of us, that every single one of us is in fact of the same spiritual DNA, that we are one not only with the Father, one with the Source, but one with each and every person in this room. And yet, as you consider the events of the past year of your life, you might have experienced your own cross, that which has been crossed out of your life unwittingly. And as you hold for your unique life expression that which has been lost, that which has died on that cross, I invite you, as we join together in unity in this time of silence, to simply open and surrender to that cross, so that infinite spirit that is the one source of all life, that infinite spirit that is the ever-renewing source of your life, can move as a wellspring in you, nourish that flower that each of you received as you came in here, the flower that represents the unique expression of new life that is yours to claim today. And so together we support one another in love right now, in turning our attention within to that state of absolute submission and surrender to the infinite and the eternal in us, here now, in the silence. And as you gently bring your attention back into the space of this room and of our togetherness, I invite you to feel that sense of overflowing new life welling up from within you. And I'll invite the ushers to support you in coming up here and putting your flower on the flower cross to represent your yes to this moment of newness in your participation in the sisterhood and brotherhood of life. And so it is. Amen.